Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Tip Tricks and Tech.
And Ethan's in the world. Today we're going to be showing the earwax removal to a camera.
Alright, this is wireless camera that you can see inside your ear. And you know how much it costs? That's what the surprise is. Just 10 bucks will get you an ear camera, and it is wireless too. And when I heard this $10, I thought this is garbage, the quality is not good. But when I tried this one, it amazed me. That's why I decided to take a video. So let's open this thing and find out what's inside. And then we're gonna check it. We're gonna do his ear, and I'm gonna show you guys video how clear it is. Okay?
Or the camera girl.
All right. So let's go check this out. Let's open this pack. Okay.
I'll tell you the thing that we need to use.
Okay, but before that, it says Wi-Fi connection, 1080p HD, IP67 waterproof, 360 wide angle. Okay?
And Wi-Fi connection, you have to connect to a Wi-Fi, the sewer Wi-Fi.
What comes in it? Our tool. They call it wireless ear endoscope. Okay.
Yep, let's go.
All right. There's a charging thing.
There's
tips.
There's an earpiece removal. Yep.
And there are different tips to put in your ear to remove the thing. Okay.
The quality used to be good, but not anymore because this
comes with extra tips. Okay. Extra tips. Anyway, it comes installed one tip. So to turn it on,
you gotta hold, and then if it shows that light, you gotta go to the iPad.
Go to Wi-Fi.
You gotta go to settings, and then go to this, and then there should be sewer, and then you have to click that.
Okay, once it's connected.
It should yep, and then you're connected to their yep, you guys need to allow. And then you gotta go to the app called Sewer. I'll find a link for you guys in the link in the description.
Okay. Also, can you record this thing so that we can show in the video? Can you record your screen?
So you should see a screen of my iPad, but here we have the recording of that earpiece. You can see like inside, and if you turn off the light, there's a button. And also the mobile, and I think there's mobile, or it's just iPad and desktop. I think there's like a, you can see yourself, like dynamic. Hi guys, and you got to turn on the light so you guys can see. And then
you can record it. You can take pictures.
Yep.
You can video record it. So we're gonna video record it. Okay, recording it. I'm gonna go into his ear. Look at this. I'm gonna go here. Okay. I'm gonna go here. Where's the ear, buddy? So look at this.
So you can see if there's
inside ear. The quality is great.
The quality is great.
And I can't even see his ear. It's a weird. Okay, got it. See. Look at the video. All right, you see that wax over here? A lot of wax in here. So you're gonna record this here. All right, I'm gonna put in my ear. Okay, we're gonna check the quality. I wanna check my ear. See a lot of hairs, which is normal. And you can rotate this and
you can click right or left ear. Because we're in the right ear, we're gonna do that.
Yeah, see that? See, this is my inside ear. And you can clean this thing. I have wax in here.
But sometimes you lose it because there's a lot of it.
Yeah. You clean it like that, see that? You clean it. Here you go.
That is big.
That's big wax. See?
Or it looks big.
It looks very big, but it's very tiny in here. And you could take a wipe and then you can clean it, right?
It looks so
But-
big. It looks so big inside, like the thing, but it's really not that big.
But
With
what
the
amazed
eyes.
me is this quality. Look at this very bright quality. And
There should be two POVs. One should be an iPad, and one should be the thing that's. Trying to change the camera position so you guys can see.
yeah, so this is inside my ear.
You can really just make a vlog with that thing. Right? When we first tried it, it was really amazing. We bought another one to try it, and then
Anyway,
we
so-
got another one just for the video.
So this is the thing, just $10 will get you this quality, and this is wireless. I work in a hospital and they have something called endoscope, and this costs thousands of dollars. This is for $10, rechargeable, reusable, totally worth it. Highly recommend this, okay? You should get one, and then
You
you
could literally just vlog with this holy thing. I don't know how, and yeah, that's really great. You could literally make a YouTube video out of this.
There's no video, there's no audio recording, only video, okay?
Yeah, there's
And if you want to look inside your nose, you can look inside your nose too.
you could do that.
So I clean it, I'm gonna show inside my nose.
You could do almost everywhere.
Oh yeah, it's red. You can see if there's any inflammation, anything like that inside your nose. You can do that too. You see that? So if you are a doctor or nurse or someone who want to check inside your
Or
nose.
just a regular patient
Yeah.
that
Look at
literally
the
just
hair.
wants to do this.
you can see if your throat is inflamed or anything like that.
How can you see it?
Also, you can check your mouth.
What the heck?
Check your teeth and see if everything is okay. Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Okay.
So this camera is good. You can see everything outside. You don't even have to look inside there.
Okay, just stop going in secondary inspection now.
My teeth is good.
Your teeth looks yellow. Why
That's
that?
okay. And the reality, it looks good. So you can do that too. So multiple benefit for something $10. All right. So I'll put a link in the description. Make sure you buy some. Okay.
Or it would be in maybe a time capsule thing. Maybe like if there's YouTube may put something up somewhere, and then you guys could click on it and then buy it. I don't know if that will pop up. So
Yeah.
so just go to the link in the description.
Okay. Thanks for watching my video. Please make sure to subscribe our channel and click share. This is definitely helpful for everyone. So make sure you share this video and give us a thumbs up, right? See you with another video soon. Till then, it's me and Ethan signing off. Bye-bye.